Okay, so as part of a Christmas activity, nearby where I live, there's a really cute pioneer village, and it runs all year round. There's like, anyway, you'll see, it's like all these old, late 19th century buildings, and at Christmas time, it's really cool. It's like an interactive museum, so you can go into all the cool buildings. Oh, there, I'm bringing my little... There you go, there he is. This is my godson, Aiden. Anyway, so my cousin's here from Montreal with the kids, and we thought at Christmas time they do this really cool thing where it's like they light up all the beautiful buildings, and in some of the buildings they even have fun little Christmas activities that you can do. Look how pretty! Okay, for Christmas parties, I have this really cool idea. I'm at a friend's house. She has like the coolest, like mid-century. You see it goes down. I'm in her little office, and then her living room is down there. Anyway, this is the coolest Christmas party. She invites me every year. I don't know why. She's like the most wonderful person, and she's so cool. Too cool for me. Anyway, it's called Your Favorite Things Party. The task is, you're supposed to buy 5 of the same gift, and it has to cost $7 or less. So no one spends more than $35. And it has to be one of like your favorite thing for under $7. So there's a lot of like lip glosses and natural deodorant. And I, this year, bought everybody a sweater comb so that they can take care of their sweaters. So the way it works then is you arrive at the party and you write your name down. Everyone writes their name down on a little piece of paper 5 times. Then we all put it in a little basket, and when it's time to do the gifts, everyone at the party draws 5 names. If you draw your own name, or if you draw the same name twice, you have to put it back in. So everyone has to have 5 different names. And then we go around the circle, and the 5 names, for example, that I pick, I give my 5 gifts to. So everyone goes home with 5 different really cool gifts. Anyway, I think this is the most genius gift exchange ever. I had to share it with you. I think it would be such a nice holiday gift exchange if you're looking for that kind of thing, even with family members or friends. Anyway, I think it's fabulous. So I'm gonna head to the party now. I think I'm very late. Life has been a little bit of a crazy mess lately, so I think we're gonna start the gift exchange now. Yay! I'm not going to a huge amount of Christmas parties this year, so this one is really special. I got invited by the French embassy to celebrate a special dinner that they're hosting later in the spring. Somehow, I got invited to this Christmas party. So here I am in the French embassy. I'll try and get a better outfit photo for you, but I'm just wearing this cashmere sweater, one of those basics from that Everlane video I did, and then this great thrifted belt. Oh, je m'excuse. This great thrifted belt, my really, really old gold Alyssa and Olivia pants, and an equally old pair of Rachel Zoe pumps. So I'm gonna try and get a better video for you, but it's really special that we are allowed into the embassy, and they've opened up their doors for us, and we also get to eat some delicious French cuisine. Alright, I'm here in Toronto at the home of my fabulous friend Kat, who you've met before in a previous video. I'm gonna link that one up here. We went through her closet and did a little shop your closet with her. But anyway, I'm here in Toronto very, very quickly. And Since I'm not doing any big decorating this holiday season, I thought I would share with you what I did at my parents' house. I just helped them put up their tree. And also, because Kat is a master decorator in general, all secondhand stuff and thrifted and vintage and all that good stuff, I thought I would take you through her beautiful home. It's like an old Victorian in Toronto. Can't wait to show you all her decorations because they're so good. Sorry, we're making... Kat is also an avid tea drinker, and this, what did you call it? Tackalicious? Tackalicious. Tackalicious Christmas teapot really made me smile. I mean, look at it. This is Value Village, huh?
It's Value Village, yeah.
Love. Secondhand.
From Nana. Courtesy of Nana.
Courtesy. Thank you, Nana. Kat's house here in Toronto, and I hope I get to show you more of her home because it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm in her studio right now, but I thought, since for me traveling is a gift, I thought I would take this little portion to chat about gift giving this season. And my husband and I aren't really doing gifts between ourselves this year, and I did want to take a quick moment to show you a gift that I was generously given by my friends over at Ana Luisa. I've worked with them before. This isn't sponsored or anything. They just kindly gave me this necklace. And I really wanted to share it with you because what Ana Luisa is doing is, sorry, my friend's getting her chimney redone. What Ana Luisa is doing is they are making jewelry out of recycled gold. So normally jewelry can be pretty harmful to the environment, and this necklace is completely recycled gold, which is fabulous. And the diamond is sustainably sourced, so it's lab grown. And the thing when it comes to lab grown diamonds is that they're 100% traceable, and you're not mining the earth for this mineral. So lab-grown diamonds are way better for the planet. Jewelry can be clean and done in a more sustainable way, and that's why I've decided to work with Ana Luisa. Next year we've got a really neat project launching. I've collaborated with them for something that I really hope you like, and I can't say much more than that at the moment, but I will be so excited to share that with you. And in the meantime, back to kind of regular gift giving. I also thought that if you're thinking of gifts for kids or adults that are more experiential, I would love for you to drop them down in the comments below, because although we're not doing a lot of gifts between adults this year, we are definitely shopping for the kids in our lives. We've got, you know, nieces and nephews and my godson and his little brother. But I'm really trying to look for experiential gifts because a lot of kids these days, they have everything already. They have so many toys. So please, kids, experiential gift ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'm really struggling with this one. Okay, now, please excuse the mess in the background. Okay, now, wrapping gifts. This year, a really cool company called Public Habit brought it to my attention that there's this really cool way of wrapping gifts in fabric. And this is an old sheet that I cut up because there are a bunch of holes in it and I didn't feel like darning it. So I thought I'll keep it for Christmas because it's got little stars on. See, look, it's already ripping here again. See, horrible. When I was chatting back and forth with Public Habit, they told me about this initiative. They're trying to get people to use this method of wrapping. So it's called furoshiki, and it is a Japanese style wrapping tradition. So I'm going to see if someone has a YouTube video about how to wrap this way. Here we go. Okay, so it looks like, this is a very awkward camera angle, but I'm too lazy to reposition the camera. It looks like the first step is having a square cloth. So this kind of wrapping sounds like a really nice idea for any old vintage scarves. If you know, have maybe seen the end of them in your closet and don't want to give them away, that would be such a nice, like, double whammy gift. So my first step is to cut this into a square. Wish me luck. I am the worst straight edge cutter. Okay, so it seems like the first trick is you put it on an angle. Oh gosh, and I have so much fabric. Oh my gosh, I did it. Okay. Wow, here it is. Look at that. I am so proud, and it really wasn't that hard. I'm gonna link the video that Public Habit had sent me because I thought that was, it was really nice and easy to watch. What do you think of this eco-friendly wrap? Okay, today is holiday cooking. I volunteered to make a veggie dish for Christmas Eve at my parents'. I don't know why he's laughing. My husband's laughing.
I'm not laughing, I'm joking.
Oh, oops. Anyway, I use like a bechamel sauce instead of a ricotta in between. So I use mozzarella, parmesan, and the bechamel instead of, I know some people like to use ricotta and everything, but I find it makes it too like pasty. Anyway, I'm not a chef. I don't know anything. Holiday baking now. Every year I make, well, every year. I did it last year. To end this vlog here. I'm still in Toronto and I had a lot of fun kind of compiling all these past little holiday activities, and I think I'm starting a cold, so I'm gonna end this Christmas vlog here, but not without saying a huge thank you for watching. I still have a couple more videos coming at you this month, so this is not a farewell to the end of the year, but just I thought I would take this opportunity, if you're still watching, because this is the end of the vlog. I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you. I can't express enough my gratitude to you for supporting the channel and just watching and letting me join you on your Sunday morning routine or whenever it is that you make the time to watch these videos. And I'm so grateful to be part of your slow fashion journey. So huge thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. And like I said, there's still a couple more videos coming at you this month before the holidays, so hope you enjoy them. Ciao!